Hi there, students. Rotation. Okay, a rotation is the action of an object moving in a circle around a fixed central point. And in theory, rotation is going like this, and revolution, to revolve, is going like this. And I've got several videos about that, but I want to look at other meanings of rotation. Okay, let's see. Rotation, crop rotation, the rotations of crops. This is regularly changing the thing that is being used in a particular situation. So crop rotation is the idea that the land that you use to grow things, you need to change the things that you grow. If you always grow the same crop, the same plant, then it will take all of the goodness of one type of thing out of the soil, and it's very bad for the earth. And you need to allow time for the different nutrients to come back. So you should perhaps plant potatoes one year and peas or beans the next year, and perhaps carrots the year after that, and onions the year after that, and lettuces the next year, and the seventh year the field should lie fallow. You shouldn't plant anything. You should just let the weeds grow and then plough that back into the land. And that is a crop rotation. Or, for example, the stock in a shop, you need to rotate the stock. You need to move it round. Or the food in your fridge. You go and buy new things, and you need to rotate to the front the things that you had before you went shopping. Or a job rotation, the rota. So the practice of regularly changing the job that a particular person does so that they become experienced in different areas. Or maybe there's 3 shifts, 8 a.m. till 4 p.m., 4 p.m. till midnight, and midnight till 8 a.m. And maybe there is a rotation where one week you do the early shift, and the next week you do the evening shift, and the next week you do the night shift. Okay, so it's in rotation. Or a committee. The chairmanship of this committee is rotated so that it is chaired by all of the different members. Okay, so a regular variation in a sequence, like a duty roster. Crop rotation for the fields. It avoids depleting soil nutrients. Or a medical resident finished a 2-week rotation in pediatrics and began one in orthopedics. Okay, the rotation. The movement of investments as well between different sectors of an economy based on anticipated changes in the market cycle. Rotation. Okay, so the rotation is moving from one thing to another. Completing cycles, a rotation of personnel. Regular and uniform variation in sequence. Or, for example, carpets. If you've got really nice Persian carpets that you walk on, you need to rotate them so that the wear pattern is equal all over. In baseball, they use this phrase rotation. The pitchers used in a sequence, the person who throws the ball in baseball, but a rotation. Yeah, it's moving from one thing to another. crop rotation and integration of livestock. Okay, so it's a cycle. Yeah, it's a cycle of different things, different people doing the same job. One goes after another, and this is rotation. Um, okay, so the rotation of jobs is important in order for everybody to get experience in every part of this. And this comes from Latin, rotatio, rotation. 5 informality. Bye for now.